Welcome to Inspired Healing Meditations, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your favorite relaxing music, having a journal close by. Trust your inner knowing, trust your imagination, and know that all of this unfolds for your highest good and your highest healing. You are healing the planet and healing yourself. Feel free to leave a comment or a question, and I'm happy to connect more with you about this process. Much love. Enjoy today's meditation. In today's healing meditation, you are guided to connect deeply with earth energy, sun energy, love energy. You become so surrounded by love and feeling so much connection. So much trust in yourself and your inner wisdom and your ability to listen. And in today's meditation, we practice listening. We ask a question and we listen inward for an answer. If you have questions about this practice or would like to share, feel free to email me. My email is down below in the description, or leave a comment. Enjoy today's inspired healing meditation. Let's drop into today's healing meditation. When you feel ready, close your eyes and begin to notice your breath moving through your body. As we exhale, we relax our physical body. We set the intention of aligning with love energy, God energy, with the wisdom of our highest self. We allow any healing to float through that is needed for our highest good. We allow any messages to be received by the wisdom of our heart for our highest good. We settle into this moment of deep self-love, commitment to our unfolding divinity. We sit in the space of love together. We bring our awareness to the heart of Mother Earth. As her heart beats, our heart beats. We breathe with the heart of Mother Earth. We inhale love energy and we exhale love energy. We are grounded, rooted, belonging, opening to love. We bring our awareness to the pulsing heart of our beautiful sun. As the heart of the sun beats, our own heart beats. We are synchronized. As we inhale, we breathe in the love from the sun and exhale love for the sun. We visualize the rays of the sun moving through our crown, through the channel of our bodies, into the earth. And we sit taller, we stand straighter. We receive more. From our hearts, we inhale and visualize love energy expanding around us until we are circled by beautiful golden love energy. We are learning to trust ourselves. We are learning to trust our inner knowing. We are learning to tune inward for all of our answers. And when we inhale, we breathe in self-love. And we relax as we exhale. As we inhale, we breathe in deep inner listening. And as we exhale, we relax. And as we inhale, we breathe in trust, our inner voice. We exhale, we relax. We bring to mind a question that we have been stewing with, something that we want to make a decision on. We bring that to mind. We allow this question to bubble up. We take a deep breath into this question. From this place of self-love, deep listening, trusting our inner wisdom, we feel confident to listen and hear for the answer. We continue to be aware of the love surrounding us as we breathe steadily. Our breath becomes deeper, slower, more grounded, more smooth. This breath that is so smooth helps us move with ease through life. We learn to breathe slowly and steadily. And we move through life steadily. Offer a word of gratitude for this moment to commune with the divine within you. Allow an affirmation to bubble up in your heart, in your knowing. Mm. Take a big final breath in, as big as you can. Sip a bit more air. When you feel ready, exhale. Sigh it out. Do it again if it feels good. We say thank you. Thank you to Earth, Sun, Heart. Infinite gratitude for this infinite life, infinite possibilities. Infinite love. Growing more and more in love, we say thank you for heart opening. Each new moment, each new day, opening the heart just a little bit more. When you feel ready, you can feel your eyes. Open your eyes when you are ready and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to nurture this beautiful relationship with yourself, your highest self, your God self. Feel the words flowing through you, whatever words that you find are just perfect. Trust this beautiful unfolding in your process. Believe in yourself. Much love, and I will see you next time.